Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're learning soccer and football vocabulary.
The name changes, but the game stays the same.
In Australia, people often say soccer to separate it from other kinds of football.
Good idea, because one word can start a very long argument.
Let's keep the peace and talk about the game.
A match is played on a pitch between two teams.
Each team tries to put the ball into the opponent's goal.
And the goalkeeper tries to stop that from happening.
The match begins with a kickoff from the center circle.
After that, players pass, dribble, tackle, and shoot.
A pass sends the ball to a teammate.
Dribbling means moving with the ball under control.
A tackle is an attempt to win the ball from an opponent.
A clean tackle is great, but a bad one may be a foul.
The referee decides whether the rules have been broken.
And sometimes every fan suddenly becomes a referee, too.
Especially when a decision goes against their team.
A foul may lead to a free kick or even a penalty.
A penalty is taken with only the goalkeeper in the way.
That is a lot of pressure for one kick.
A corner is awarded when the defending team sends the ball over its own goal line.
The attacking team then kicks the ball in from the corner.
Players often try to score with a header from a corner.
A header means hitting the ball with your head.
Offside is one of the most confusing rules for new fans.
Even experienced fans sometimes explain it using cups and salt shakers.
Basically, an attacker cannot wait too far ahead for an easy pass.
Exactly. Timing the run is very important.
A striker mainly tries to score goals.
Defenders protect the goal, while midfielders connect attack and defense.
When both teams have the same score, the match is level.
A goal that makes the scores level is called an equalizer.
The referee may add injury time at the end of each half.
So never leave early because a late goal can change everything.
Now you know some useful football vocabulary.
Let's move into shadowing practice and say these sentences out loud.
The match starts with a kickoff.
The goalkeeper made a brilliant save.
Our striker scored from inside the penalty area.
The referee gave a free kick.
The defender made a clean tackle.
She dribbled past two players.
He crossed the ball into the box.
The forward scored with a powerful header.
The assistant referee raised the flag for offside.
We won a corner in the final minute.
The midfielder made a perfect pass.
They scored an equalizer before halftime.
The match ended in a 2-2 draw.
The referee added 5 minutes of injury time.
Our team kept a clean sheet today.
Great work! You have completed today's shadowing practice.
You used useful football vocabulary in natural sentences.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Let the words become familiar through repeated listening.
Play the lesson again and speak out loud.
Each round will make your speech smoother and more confident.
Keep practicing, even when your pronunciation is not perfect.
See you in the next lesson.